Hello and welcome back to another episode of Next Tiny Adventure. This weekend we went on several hikes. We drove up to Cullowhee Falls, which is located at Lake Glenville in Jackson County, North Carolina. I've been here before and done this hike before. It's easy going down to get to the waterfall, and then going back up is usually a little bit tougher climb out. It's a short hike, but it's just a lot of steps. And this particular day we wanted to go because they do a dam release a couple times a year during the summer, and when they do, the falls become very powerful. And I'd never seen it in person, so we wanted to go and check that out, which we did. And you guys will see it's actually really awesome. If you're in the area and you can check that out at some time, you can look their schedule up online, and I would definitely recommend going. After that, we went into Waynesville. We had never been there before. Of course, you know I like to check out a lot of small towns, and I really liked Waynesville. It had a lot to offer. We went to Panacea Coffee down in the Frog Level and sat by the river and drank some coffee, which was really awesome. There's also a brewery right next door, so they kind of share a patio, so you can either go to the brewery or the coffee shop, whichever floats your boat, and it's a very nice place to sit out on the patio. After that, we just kind of walked around town, checked out some of the shops, and then headed home.
shows the other place I wanted to go to. Yeah. Uh-huh. Like spring, summer, fall, winter.
The next day, I did go to Latta Plantation on Mountain Island Lake. It's a nice hike. They have actually quite a bit of different routes over there, so you can get in as much hiking as you would really want to during the day. There's also plenty of places where you could get into the water if you wanted to, via boat or swimming. We also sometimes take our kayaks over there and take their kayak launch out, but it's also a nice place to go, and it's right there on the lake, which is nice to look at. I hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you next time on our next tiny adventure.